Hello everyone and welcome to SSM Steps Academy. In today's tutorial, we are going to solve this particular question where we've been told to find the angle formed at B considering this triangle A, B and C. So this is an advanced concept on multiplication of vectors where I have provided the links in the description below so that you can look at what we are doing in the previous videos concerning multiplication of vectors using cross and dot products. So in this video, we have been asked to look at to find the angle formed at B, considering this triangle A, B, and C, where the coordinates for A are 1, 1, 8, for B 4, -3, -4, and C we've been given as -3, 1, and 5. So to find theta, which is our angle, as you can see, the particle is moving from B to A and from B to C as the arrows indicate. So to find theta, we have the formula here where we've been given that cos inverse of the vector BA dot vector BC divided by the magnitude of vector BA and the magnitude of vector BC. So first of all, we have to find the vector BA, and to find vector BA, we are moving from B to A. So to find the vector BA, we have to subtract the column matrix A and the column matrix B. So the column matrix of B subtracted from the column matrix of A. So we're having here A as 1, 1, 8 column matrix minus the column matrix of B, which is 4, -3, -4. So when we subtract the column matrix of B from the column matrix of A, we're going to get the column matrix as -3, 4, and 12, as you can see here. So vector BA is going to be -3, 4, and 12. So to write as a vector is going to be -3i plus 4j plus 12k. So this is going to be the value of the vector BA, as you can see here. So we also have to find the vector BC because the formula is requesting us that we find vector BC. So to find vector BC, we do the same thing. We are taking the column matrix of C, then we are subtracting from the column matrix of B. So the column matrix of B is going to be -3, -3, 1, 5, then subtract 4, -3, -4. So when we take -3 minus 4, we are going to get -7, -1 minus -3 is going to be a positive, so it's going to be 4. Then 5 minus -4 is going to be 9, as you can see there. So the vector BC is going to be -7i plus 4j plus 9k. Then looking back to our formula, we are given the products. We have been asked to find the product, the dot product of vector BA and vector BC. So you have to multiply these vectors but using the dot product. That's why I've said that you have to look in the links below so that you know how to multiply vectors using dot product and cross product. So vector BA dot vector BC is going to be -3i plus 4j plus 12k, then dot -7i plus 4j plus 9k, as you can see there. So the dot product, we say that we are going to multiply the elements of these vectors respectively such that the elements for I are multiplied, then k, then j's. So negative 3 dot the next element for I in the other vector is negative 7. So negative 3 dot negative 7, then plus negative, not negative but positive, so 4 multiplied by 4 as dot product, then 12 dot 9. So when you work out this, you're going to get 145. Then also in the formula, we've been told to find the magnitude of vector BA. So the magnitude of vector BA, we already have vector BA here as negative 3i plus 4j plus 12k. So to find the magnitude, we are going to square the elements in the vector. That is, then we find the square root. That is negative 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 12 squared. Then find the square root. So we are going to get 169. So the square root of 169 is 13. Then the magnitude of vector BC, we do the same. We take negative 7 squared plus 4 squared plus 9 squared, then find the square root. So we're going to find that the vector BC, the magnitude is the square root of 146. So the formula says that to find theta, we are going to take the cos inverse of the dot product between vector BA and vector BC, then we divide by the product of the magnitudes between vector BA and vector BC. So this is going to be the cos inverse of vector BA multiplied by vector BC. So we are going to take 145, that is what we get up there, 145, then divide by the products of the magnitude between the two vectors, that is the magnitude of vector BA and the magnitude of vector BC, which is going to be 13, then multiplied by the magnitude of BC, which is the square root of 146. So when you work out this, we are going to find that theta is going to be 22.62 degrees. So this is how to find the angle formed at B. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.